Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we tackle all things family life, from life hacks to cool gadgets that make your day a little easier. Now let's face it, the bathroom can easily turn into a disaster zone. You know, hair everywhere, a counter that's just a sea of toiletries. Yeah, I've been there too. So today we're tackling those messy countertops, overflowing trash cans, and just general bathroom chaos with 10 must-have gadgets and accessories that will not only keep your bathroom tidy, but make it more efficient too. Trust me, these are all game changers. Kicking things off, we have the automatic soap dispenser. Look, gone are the days of struggling to pump soap out of a stubborn bottle with wet hands. This bad boy is touchless. Just wave your hand and voila. Soap is dispensed like magic. And it's not just any soap dispenser. It has 5 adjustable levels, so you don't end up washing your hands like you're scrubbing for surgery. Plus, it looks sleek in any bathroom or kitchen. I mean, it's one of those things you didn't know you needed until you have it. Next up is the iHave Toothbrush Holder with a built-in UV sanitizer. Not only does it keep your toothbrushes neat and off the counter, but the UV light sanitizes them. Bye-bye germs. It's perfect for families. It holds up to 3 cups and even has a toothpaste dispenser. So there's no excuse for leaving that toothpaste cap off anymore. Let's be real. If this can keep my kids from leaving a mess, it's already worth every penny. Oh, and if you're all about that hands-free life, the NINESTARS automatic trash can is a must. Just wave your hand and the lid opens like you're in a sci-fi movie. No more touching the trash can lid with whatever grimy mess you're throwing away. Plus, it's got that sleek, stainless steel look that makes your bathroom look fancy, even if it's just for tossing and used tissues. Meet the luxury stainless steel shower caddy. Rust-proof, adhesive, and durable, it's like the Swiss Army knife of shower organizers. Say goodbye to bottles scattered all over the shower floor and hello to actually finding your shampoo in the morning. A tidy shower is a happy shower, my friends. Moving right along, we've got the 3-in-1 wall-mounted shower pump dispenser. No more bulky bottles in the shower. It dispenses shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in a sleek, organized way. Plus, it's super easy to refill, so you'll always have the right amount of product handy without wrestling with caps and pumps mid-shower. Imagine stepping out of the shower and wrapping yourself in a warm, cozy towel. Well, dreams do come true with the Serene Life Towel Warmer. It heats towels in just 15 to 60 minutes, and if you're extra like me, you can even warm your blankets. Yep, I said blankets. Now, cleaning the bathroom isn't exactly the highlight of my day, but the YKYI electric spin scrubber makes it, well, not terrible. It's cordless, comes with multiple brush heads, and does the scrubbing for you. Like you just hold it and it gets in all those nooks and crannies that your regular brush can't reach. Less elbow grease, more sparkle. If you're like me and have a lot of stuff on your counter, the Delamu 2-tier counter organizer is going to change your life. With sliding drawers and multiple compartments, you can store makeup, skincare, razors, whatever you need. Now, when you're rushing in the morning, everything is right where you left it. Imagine that. Shaving in the shower just got a lot easier with the toiletry fogless shower mirror. No more fogged up mirrors when you're trying to shave or apply skincare. And it even comes with a little squeegee to keep it crystal clear. It's rust-proof and adjustable, so this mirror is basically a VIP guest in your shower. And last, but certainly not least, we've got these under-sink storage bins. They pull out like little drawers, making it easy to access all those products and cleaners you usually lose under the sink. With dividers and pull-out functionality, these bins will make your life so much easier and your bathroom so much tidier. So, there you have it. 10 incredible products to transform your bathroom into a tidy, efficient space. If you want to grab any of these lifesavers, check out the links in the description. And hey, if you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss a tip to make family life just a little bit easier. Until next time, stay tidy and stay awesome.